Hi friends, this is an old CRT TV. Look, it's all piled up with dust. It has been lying here for many years. Let's open it and see what's inside. Look, this is the inside view. Here is the circuit board, which we can call the brain of this TV. All the parts, including the transformer, are fixed here. Now look, this is the main parts of the CRT tube. Here the picture is created, which you see on the front screen. Look what I found. This is a speaker. Let's remove it. And I am also taking some wires. With this speaker, I will make a soundbox in the next video. Do you want to see that? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video.